Manisha. We'll leave it at that and get you some commodity trading strategies on that note. Hari Gallipelli from GRG joins in. Harish, hi afternoon. Let's first start off with your views on gold.
If you look at bullion, I think broad-based consolidation is still going on. Especially if you look at spot gold, I think market has been consistently getting support around $1,700, and in domestic market also, if you see, I mean, it has been in a tight range of 31,000 to 31,200 levels. So in this condition, we are recommending to stay on buying side because the long-term fundamentals are still intact, and fresh weakness in dollar might also support positive sentiment in gold. So we are recommending to buy MCX gold around 31,080 levels with a stop loss below 31,000. As far as targets are concerned, anything around 31,200 to 240 is possible.
Right, and what about your trading strategy on silver?
We've been seeing silver also in a very tight range of 59,300 to 60,000 levels now. Last 3 or 4 sessions, the market has been finding support around 59,300. So as long as this support holds, I think market is likely to recover from the lows. So on that basis, we are recommending to buy silver around 59,500 levels for a target of 60,000. As far as stops are concerned, a very strict stop loss should be maintained below 59,300 levels.
Harish, would you have a buy call on copper as well?
If you look at base metals, I think we've been seeing some kind of corrective sentiment in all the base metals, be it nickel, copper or lead. But I think now overall medium-term fundamentals, if you look at as far as copper is concerned, market is likely to be in deficit, and this deficit is also likely to increase if demand side dynamics improve. And also the fresh weakness that we are talking about we are seeing in dollar might as well support buying at lower levels. Now since market has already fallen to a certain extent, it makes sense to buy at lower levels. As far as copper is concerned, we are recommending to buy around 423 levels for a possible target of 427 to 28, and one can keep stops below 420 levels.
Finally, what's your call on crude, Harish? Quick trading call on crude.
If you look at crude oil, though the fundamental scenario is weak, but now since all the commodity prices are going up on back of weak dollar, so crude oil prices might also surge, if not on a major rally, but a limited upside movement is quite possible. So we are recommending to buy crude oil for a target of 4,700 to 720 levels.
Harish, good to have you on the show. Thanks for taking time out. Let's shift focus and get you an update on BNS and the stock game, how things are panning out in day 3 and what the portfolios are looking like. Avan's here with the detailed update. Avan.
Not the best of days for all of our experts today, so all of them are in the red, but let's run you